Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video we have discussed, we have installed all the required softwares that are to learn Flutter. Okay, in this video we'll start exploring Flutter concepts. Okay, we'll start create a new Flutter application. Okay, for that first go to command prompt. I am just creating my new application in my desktop. So for that I am going to desktop. Okay, so at present I am in desktop. Okay, to get started with Flutter, to create a new Flutter application, we need to give this command flutter create. We need to give the application name, say my new app. This name should be specifically all letters should be in small letters only, because it won't allow capital letters, and at the same time it won't allow spaces also. Okay, if you give space it will give an error. Okay, it won't create an application. It won't take hyphens also. Okay, if you want to create a hyphen like this, it won't able to create. Okay, instead we can use underscore. Okay, like that. Okay, just click on enter. It will start creating a new application in your desktop. Okay, if you see my new app is creating, it will take a few seconds. Okay, the app is created. Okay, let's open this application. Okay, here there are many folders. We'll try to open this in editor. Okay, code editor. In the last video we have installed VS Code. Just open this VS Code and go to file section and open folder. Okay, in this go to desktop, click on my new app and this select this folder. Once you select this folder, all the subfolders inside that folder will come here. Okay, if you see all this folder, these are all the folders. Okay, that we have created just now using terminal in command prompt. Okay, so let's understand what are all these folders. Okay, if you see here it is Android, and it is iOS, and it is lib, and it is Linux, Mac OS, text, web, like that. All folders are there. Just understand what are all these. If you want to create an Android application, and if you want to give any runtime permissions, say if you want to open a camera, okay, for that we need to add all these runtime permissions in Android folder. Specific to Android application, we need to add those runtime permissions in Android folder. Similarly, if you are creating an iOS application and you wanted to open a camera, or you wanted to access your contacts, for that you need to gain access. Okay, to gain access we need to have some add some runtime permissions. Those runtime permissions were added in iOS folder. Okay, in the same way also all this Linux, Mac OS, web also, like Flutter is not only for mobile applications, it also we can create desktop applications also. Also we can create web applications too. Okay, so this test is for to create test cases. Okay, to verify the app functionality. Okay, this is the basic application. So we got the test cases related to that application. We'll start running this application and we came to know what is it inside in this default application. Okay, so we'll not interested in this test folder as of now. Okay, our main focus is in lib folder. Okay, lib is the place where we write our Flutter code. Okay, if you see here, uh, like unlike same like Java and C, uh, program execution starts from main, right? So in the same way, here we are having void main function. In that we are having a run app function. Run app is responsible for running your application. In that we are having my app class. If you see, my app is a class. Okay, we are just running this my app class. Okay, and this my app extending stateless widget. See, Flutter actually follows object oriented programming language. So in Flutter we are going to we are having a we are writing code in Dart programming language. Dart it also created by Google only. Dart is a programming language we are using in developing Flutter applications. Okay, Dart is similar to Java only. If you know Java, then it's fine. Even if you don't know about Java, then we'll start exploring Dart concepts in this channel. Okay, this is the basic Flutter application. I'll try to explain all this in some time. Okay, in this video. Okay, we just run this application. Okay, let's see what is this code, what logic is this code belongs to. Okay, we'll come to know what the functionality of this code. Okay, just go to terminal and open a new terminal here. Okay, if you don't want to open this terminal, you can directly go to command prompt from here. If you see, in order to run your application, type flutter run. Okay, just run this command. I'm just running this command here and click on enter. Okay, let's wait. I think we are in wrong folder. We need to move to that folder. Okay, what is the application name we have given? My new app. Okay, I'm just moving to this folder, cd space my new app. I'm just giving enter. Okay, now we can run this function. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it is asking to run on which browser. Okay, it is asking on Windows, Chrome and Edge. I'm just giving Chrome. I'm just giving 2. Okay, let's wait for it to come run. I tried installing Android Studio and Visual Studio toolbox. Those are heavy softwares, and those will my system performance was lagging by using those applications. So for few of the topics I will run this Chrome version, because if you are learning Flutter, then there is we can use this Chrome also. Using this Chrome we can learn Flutter. Okay, see, later on we will move to the course and we'll start installing Android Studio and we'll run in the Android emulator. Okay, for now, for the few classes I will use this Chrome browser to build applications. If you see, this is the default app that is that Flutter is going to provide, that Flutter is providing us. Okay, if you see, there is a text called Flutter demo homepage. In that you can see this is the text, and we have one button, floating action. This is floating action button. Okay, if you click on this button, the value will be increasing by 1 every time. Okay, if you keep on clicking, the value will be increasing 1 1 1, so on 15 16 17 like that. Okay, this is the basic application that Flutter toolkit is providing us. Okay, now let's understand this logic behind this app. Okay, and okay, if you see, okay, I'll try to create another video because the length of this video will be increasing. It's been around 9 minutes. So if you like my video, please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Thank you.